guys, so we just wanted to do an intro. Now let's enjoy the video.
I die.
She forgot one of her doll babies, so we have to go back. So that's why you see us turning around, because she's like, I forgot my crybaby. It's a cartoon called Crybabies. You see her cheese. She like cheese. So I had to do her hair because we're going to the doctor. And you already know my girl is in big girl school now. So that's why she got a look of the parts. She got her uniform pants on though. So cute. Hi. Did we miss it? I think we missed it. Let me see. Oh, I like it. Okay, go ahead. Oh, very nice. What is this? Why is it so big? Nah, y'all better watch what you eating. Where you at? Come on. You playing peekaboo? Peekaboo. Hi. Yeah. Whoa.
I need one.
Amazing.
Come light it up.
What's up? Pretty good. Can I get mild, medium, with corn?
Good morning. Hi, can I get a burrito, a chicken burrito with white rice? I remember when I used to live in Pennsylvania, and I literally had to always wait to cross this railroad. And now in Virginia, why is the train following me, you guys? Is there something going on here spiritually, that I need to know and be aware of? Can somebody let me know? Because I'm clueless. But anyway, the noise y'all hear in the back, I'm gonna try to turn it off, but that's the air conditioner. But anyway, guys, do y'all have, other than New York, do y'all have trains that still run in your state that you live in? Because every time I go to see my homegirl, I have to cross this railroad, and I'm confused, come on. And then it takes so long, so annoying. So I just have to hop on and talk to y'all. Oh my goodness, hallelujah. So now I'm going to get my mail because y'all already know I totally forgot something, but I was let me just get the mail. But y'all know when you leave the house and you have all your stuff and you have kids. Okay, this is for the moms. You leave the house, you have all the stuff. You got the kids' stuff, you got your stuff. You put it in the truck or put it in your car, and then you get in there and you can't even find what you needed because you left it on your kitchen counter or you left it hanging on the door. Why are we like this? Mommy brains to a whole nother level. If there was a face for mommy brain fog, I would be in the dictionary. But anyway, I was anyway, I came outside. My neighbor's so nosy. What do they do? I think their job is to mind my business. Mind the business that pay you. My God. Anyway, I know y'all have those neighbors. And why neighbors stealing Amazon packages? And why are they stealing packages in the first place? I just installed 2 cameras from Xfinity, and let me tell you something. I wish they would try. But anyway, this is this shopping center, and I wanted to go to Army Base to go shopping because y'all know I'm a vet. But it was so cute. They always look so machine ready, I don't know, uniformed. These places, they all look the same. I'm confused. These stores look like hoobity hoo ha. Who done it and why? Because at the end of the day, there's a store called DICKS. What is that about? Who came up with that name? Because that's a private part. I can't even say it on YouTube. That's to tell you that it's inappropriate. But anyway, hey Dunkin. Y'all already know. I had to go there, but I was a little torn because I was going over to this, I think it was the hair salon to check on my appointment. But I'm wait, let me go get my stuff first and then let me come back because I need my Dunkin. So I'm yep, I'm at the right place and nobody inside. Okay, so I'm early. Let me go back to Dunkin. But y'all gotta try the sweet tea because I can't drink coffee. But the sweet tea is amazing. And I know my doctor be I told this girl stop with the coffee and all those 6 pumps of caramels. But now she got 55,000 pumps of sugar because that sweet tea is sweet. It be hitting. But anyway, look at these cups. I could take all of them. Okay? All. But I already have enough. All, like I said. Orange is my new color. So y'all about to see your girl in a lot of orange. I don't even care if it's winter time. I'm going to be in orange. Yeah, catch me on the flip side in orange. Okay, and what I said, look at my cup holder, orange. Yes, like I said, orange. You ready to see me in orange? Y'all like that, right? But I bought her a kite from Dollar Tree. Yeah, $1.25 tree. My apologies. I don't know why they're gonna change their name because y'all already know they got a $5 section in there. I'm gonna do a short because it's a $5 section in Dollar Tree. First of all, nothing costs $1 in there. It's $1.25. So why is it called Dollar Tree? They need to change that and fix that. They need to put dollar discount or whatever, discount store, dollar something. I don't know. But let me not give them ideas because they're gonna have to pay me, okay, for my ideas. You know how people be stealing your ideas. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. But look at your girl. This is her first kite flying. In Guyana, they have like kite day where you fly kites. It's so nice. But I'm gonna take her back home. But if my toxic family wasn't doing so much witchcraft on me, I would take her there, but I don't trust them, so I ain't taking her there. Sorry, they ain't gonna meet her, just like my abusive foster mom will never meet her. Sorry, not sorry. But we had fun. I was trying to do it. Everybody was passing. You know, you can't have a moment of peace. When you come outside, nobody be out here, right? All of a sudden, I put my camera down, and I'm like, let's go fly a kite. Here they come. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. Like, come on now. Anyway, my girl was running. She was taking flight. Okay, I'm like, all right, run, Forrest, run. Run. dun, 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 dun.
Run that way, little girl.
I'm trying to tell her, like, go ahead. All right, here she go. Dun, 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 dun. I'm mad it wasn't flying. It wasn't like going up there because it was very windy. Like, that's why I'm doing voiceover, because it was super duper windy. But yeah, you see that? It had a little flight there, a little leverage. But yeah, I gotta remember it's $1.25. So okay, I'm like, go me, thumbs up to me. Okay, I know that's right. But this was so much fun. Look at her. She had the time of her life, and that's what made me happy. Like, my heart just smiled so much. Like, my therapist be telling me, oh, I heal a lot through my daughter, my childhood trauma. I'm telling her, like, yes, I agree, because all that journaling, sometimes it gets, tedious. You always write and you want to actually do physical things, you know what I mean? But yeah, do y'all let me know in the comment section, moms, dads, because men watch my channel too. Do you I'm gonna do another video because it's smothered chicken, but this is my dessert. Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all in the next video. Do y'all do this? Because I just want to know, even if you in not a rural state or like a city, like, I'm from New York, so if you in New York, do you do this? Like, because I want to know, because I did. I was in Staten Island. But anywho, it's dinner time. Y'all better clean that chicken, okay? Not with no soap either, because I be seeing some people washing their chicken in the sink. See, I have it in a pan in my Pyrex, not like on the bare nasty sink. That's gross. I don't care how much time you clean it. Anyway, and wash off the vinegar so it's not tasting like vinegar. Chicken. But anyway, guys, this is my dessert. And yes, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.